Sometimes we want index of a substring in a string buffer object. For that, we use indexOf and lastIndexOf methods. Namaste everyone, I am Gyan and you are watching the session 18 of Java and Wave, String API in Java. This is the first indexOf method of the StringBuffer class. The indexOf method is a public method which returns integer. As I already told you, all the methods of the StringBuffer class are synchronized method. But why this method indexOf is not a synchronized method? Let's go in the source code of stringbuffer.java and check about it. So this is the stringbuffer.java and here we are talking about this method, this indexOf method, and it is not synchronized. It has been written here, synchronization achieved via invocations of other stringbuffer methods. So this method is calling other stringbuffer methods by using that. This method is also synchronized. IndexOf method returns index of first occurrence of the specified substring str in the caller string buffer. It returns -1 if substring str does not exist. This is the Java file first.java. In the first.java we have the class first. In the class first we have the method main. In the method main we are creating a new string buffer object with the content hello everyone. After that we are calling the method indexOf by using the reference variable sp with the string literal vary as its argument. So the method indexOf searches for the substring vary in the string buffer whose reference is stored into the reference variable sp. That's how the method indexOf searches for the substring vary in this content. The vary starts from this index VERY. You can check here. This index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. There is one space. So V is at the index number 7. That's how the integer 7 returned by the method indexOf, which has been stored into the integer variable I of type int. When we print the integer variable I, it will print 7. In the next statement, we are trying to search for the substring verify, which cannot be found in this string buffer. In that case, it will return -1. If a substring cannot found in a string buffer, in that case, the indexOf method returns -1. So it will print -1. This is the another format of indexOf method. Here in this case, we need to take two arguments. One is the string reference and other one is the integer variable. In this case, the indexOf method returns index of first occurrence of the specified substring str in the caller string buffer. The search for the substring str starts from the index fromIndex of the caller string. And the method indexOf returns -1 if the substring str does not exist from the index fromIndex of the caller string buffer. Let's use this method in a Java code and understand it with more clear concept. Here we have the Java file first.java. In the first.java we have the class first. In the class first we have the method main. In the method main we are creating a new string buffer object with this content. After that we are calling the method indexOf by using the reference variable sp with these two arguments. One argument is the string abc and other argument is the integer 4. So starting from the index 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So starting from the index 4, we need to search for the substring abc. So search for the first occurrence of the string abc after the index 4 and that occurs here. This is the index number 7. After index number 7 you can find abc 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So after index number 7 you can find abc. That's how the integer 7 returned by the indexOf method and collected in the integer variable I. When we print the integer variable I, it prints 7. After that again we are calling the method indexOf by using two arguments. First is the string abc and other one is the integer 8. So starting from the index 8, start from the index 8, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Starting from the index 8, find first occurrence of abc. Starting from the index 8, the first occurrence of abc is here. This is the index number 11. Calculate it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We started from here 9, 10 and 11. So after the index number 11, we can find another substring abc. So the number 11 has been returned by the method indexOf, collected in the integer variable I. When we print the integer variable I, it prints 11. With the indexOf method, we have lastIndexOf method. The last index of method again is not synchronized. The synchronization will be achieved by the other method calls of the StringBuffer class. The last index of method returns the index within this string of the last occurrence of the specified substring. So in this case, we are finding the last occurrence of the string str. The last occurrence of the empty substring, if we pass here empty string, is considered to occur at the index value this dot length. Let's understand the method lastIndexOf practically. Here we have the Java file first.java. In the first.java we have the class first. In the class first we have the method main. In the method main we are creating a new StringBuffer object with this content. The content of length 16. Here you should notice that we have provided two spaces in the string literal, one at the beginning and other one at the end. When we call the method lastIndexOf by using the string literal ABC, it will search in this string and returns the last occurrence of the substring ABC. The substring ABC occurs at the index number 12. Count here 0 space at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the last occurrence of the substring ABC happens at the index number 12. That's how the number 12 has been returned by the lastIndexOf and will be collected into the integer variable I. When we print the integer variable I, it will print 12. When we call the method lastIndexOf by using empty string as its argument, then it prints 16. So the length of this string is 16, including these two spaces, one at the beginning and other one at the end. That's how it prints the number 16, because whenever we search for the empty string, the last index of the empty string, it prints the length of the StringBuffer object. This is the another format of lastIndexOf method which accepts two arguments. First one is the string reference and other one is the integer. Let's ignore the theoretical aspects of this method and directly jump to the practical example. This is the Java file first.java. In the first.java we have the class first. In the class first we have the method main. In the method main we are creating a new StringBuffer object with this content. The content of length 16, which has 14 characters and 2 spaces. Then after we are calling the lastIndexOf method by using the reference variable s1 and two arguments abc and 4. So you need to start from the index number 4. Start from the index number 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Start from this index, go backward and find the first occurrence of the substring ABC. Go backward. Here at the index number 1, you found the substring ABC. So in this case we got the last occurrence of the substring ABC within this substring ABCB. Within this substring we found the last occurrence of the substring ABC at the index number 1. That's how the lastIndexOf method in this case returns the index number 1. When we print the integer variable I, it will print 1. Then after we are calling the lastIndexOf method by using the reference variable s1 using two arguments abc and 11. So go to the index number 11, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Start from the index number 11, go backward 10, 9, 8. You found the first occurrence of the string ABC while going backward at the index number 8. So the last occurrence of the string ABC within this substring from the index 0 to index number 11 is at the index number 8. That's how the number 8 returned by the method lastIndexOf collected in the variable I. When we print the variable I, it prints 8. Again we are calling the lastIndexOf method. At this time we are searching for the substring ABCD. At this time we are searching for the substring ABCD in the backward direction starting from the index number 6. You know that you cannot find a substring ABCD in this StringBuffer content because this StringBuffer does not have any character D. That's how in this case the lastIndexOf method returns -1, which will be collected in the variable I. When we print the variable I, it prints -1. You know that various indexOf methods are also present in the string class. But there are few indexOf methods which were allowed in the string class are not allowed in the StringBuffer and StringBuilder classes. You know that all the methods we just discussed in this video all are allowed in the StringBuffer and StringBuilder, both the classes. Difference is that in the StringBuffer all the methods are synchronized, but in the StringBuilder None of the methods are synchronized, but there are few methods which are in the class string but not valid in the class string buffer or in the class string builder. These are the four indexOf and lastIndexOf methods which are available for the class string but not available in the class string buffer and the class string builder. That's all for this video, guys. Don't forget to like and share this video, subscribe my channel on YouTube, like my page on Facebook, and leave your valuable comments in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.